In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Brevo API key, a full guide for 2025. Getting your API key is an essential step in managing integrations and accessing various features of the Brevo platform. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to log into your Brevo account. This will bring you to your main dashboard where you can manage your account settings and access different features. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple accounts, to avoid any confusion later on. Once you're in your account, head to the top right corner of the page. There you'll see your profile name. By clicking on it, a drop-down menu will appear with a variety of options. From this list, you're going to select SMTP and API. This is the section where you can manage your email settings as well as your API configurations, which are crucial for linking Brevo with other applications or services. After selecting SMTP and API, you'll find yourself in a dedicated settings page. Here, you need to look for the API keys tab. Clicking this tab will take you to the specific section where all API keys associated with your account are listed. It's a straightforward and organized way to see all your existing keys at a glance, or decide if you need to create a new one. Now, to generate a new API key, there will be an option to generate a new API key. Clicking this option will start the process. This step is important if you are setting up a new integration or need a new key for a specific project. Next, you'll need to name your API key. This step is often overlooked but is quite important. Choosing a clear and descriptive name can help you remember what this specific key is used for, especially if you're handling multiple projects or integrations. Once you've decided on a name, simply click Generate. Now comes a crucial part of the process. Once your API key is generated, it will be displayed on the screen. You must copy and store this key securely immediately, as it will only be visible at this time. Once you navigate away from this page, you won't be able to see this key again for security reasons. It's advisable to store it in a secure password manager or wherever you keep sensitive information safely. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to generate a new API key on Brevo. This will help you seamlessly integrate Brevo's services into your workflow. Remember, keeping your API key secure is vital to maintaining the integrity and security of your applications. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful guides and tutorials.